computing. Quantum computing are computers are truly to represent the next generation of computing. Unlike classic computers, they drive their computing power by harnessing the power of quantum physics. Because of the rather nebulous science behind it, practically working, a quantum computer still remains a flight of fancy. Give a client access to a quantum computers over the internet, and you have quantum cloud computing. Currently, the only organization which provides a quantum computer in the cloud is IBM. They allow free access to anyone who wishes to use their 5 qubits machines. Earlier this year, they installed the 70 qubit machines, so over 4,000 users have taken advantage of their online service to run experiments. Not to be outdone, Google provides the fastest quantum computers with 52 qubits and a speed of 200-second computations, while the supercomputers took 10,000 years. Qubit means a quantum bits. So what qubit and how many do you need? Qubit is a short for sequence of quantum bits. With the classic computers, data is stored in a teeny transistors that hold a single bit of information, either the binary value of 0 or 1 or 0 or 1. With the quantum computers, the data is stored in a qubit thanks to the mechanics of quantum physics, where subatomic particles obey their own laws. A qubit can exist in 2 states at the same time. This phenomenon is called superpositions. So a qubit can have a value of 1, 0 or some value of between 0 and 1. 2 qubits can hold even more values. Before long, you are building yourself an exponentially more powerful computers the more qubits you add. Quantum computer theory was first written in the 1980s, and only now are the first rudimentary machines being constructed. The quantum computers are big machines reminiscent of the old mainframe computers of the 1960s. One of serious logistical problem is the need for deep freezing of superconducting circuits. Only at sub-zero temperatures can the qubits maintain a constant, predictable superpositions. Heating up qubits can result in calculation errors. Some advantage of quantum computing: getting a quantum computing to functionally useful is an exciting prospect of scientists. Their gargantuan computing power would allow them to crunch very long numbers. They would be able to make complex calculations that would only overwhelm classic computers. Accessing a cloud-based quantum computers combine the benefit of both technologies exponentially. Quantum computing could help in the discovery of new drugs by unlocking the complex structure of chemical molecules. Other than uses include financial trading, risk management, and supply chain optimizations. With its ability to handle more complex numbers, data could be transferred over the internet with much safer encryptions. This is all quantum computing. Thank you.
Self.